Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create events on Facebook, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the menu icon down below and then click on events. Click on this plus icon at the top of the screen next to events. You can type in the event name into the first bar. You can set the start date and time on this calendar. Tap on OK in the upper right corner of the screen. You can also add end time by tapping on the end time button. You can indicate whether it is in person or it is a virtual event. If it is in person, you can enter the location into the search bar. You can set who can see it, private, public, friends or group. And you can also add the details. When you are done, click on the create event button down below and your event will be created. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.